Guys, I wanted to put out a quick video about Rplanet. I guess they got some new stuff happening in just a couple days. I'm filming this on February 13th. So on February 15th, these new things start, and you're going to want to know some of the stuff here in this video. I'll share the link of this Medium article. Basically, on the 15th, a big UI update will happen. There'll be some DeFi tools. They're going to their governance phase. There's going to be a new RDAO, Rplanet DAO entity. All right, yeah, so February 15th, 2 days from the day I'm filming this right now, Rplanet will have a new UI where there'll be new DeFi tools. The RDAO will come into existence. There will be RDAO tokens, RDAO being Rplanet, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. So you'll be able to do some DeFi stuff with some liquidity pools and some staking, as well as you'll be able to get your hands on some RDAO tokens, which will be used for governance, be able to make decisions in the future, and will probably be worth something, I would assume. You'll be able to get a hold of those through these RDAO auctions, which start on the 15th, I believe. Yeah, they're going to happen in parallel. They'll be going on every day. You can get APH, which is Aether per hour. It's a new token. It looks like what you'll do is you'll stake your Aether, apply your Aether and your APH to these auctions to be able to get a hold of these RDAO tokens. Once the auctions are at their end, the tokens are going to go, the auctions are going to last. Auctions are going to last for 21 weeks starting, on the 15th. So you've got, a few months, couple months to get involved and get some RDAO tokens from your Aether and your APH. At the end of each auction period, these tokens are allocated based upon what percentage you have. Now, you can get a hold of APH by burning your elements. Why would you do that? Well, there's a couple of reasons. So if you look down here, the Aether is changing. We all know it's out of control. The staking thing is not really even worthwhile right now because there's no more, creating things. So what's the big deal? So you can look through this article, and first of all, they're minimizing the maximum supply. So whatever they told you the maximum supply was is now going down by, it looks like about 8.5%, or not 8.5, 85%. Actually, it was 10 gabillions, and now it's 1.5 gabillions. So I don't love how they just changed the max supply. But I understand they're trying to they're doing all they can to make this not be a complete flop here with Aether, as well as they are nerfing. And they said they never would, but they are nerfing some of your elements. A lot of your elements will no longer be able to be staked for the amount that they used to be staked. Sorry about the screen. I have no idea where I'm at. Here we go. So what used to get you 5 will now get you 2 for staking. 500, look at this. Your mythics will go down to 25, which is less than what a rare used to be. They got to do that. They're trying to make Aether still worth something. You're going to still be able to use Aether in the future to buy robots and other things. So there'll be a need for Aether, but what you can also do with your Aether is, stake it to the auction and to get RDAO, which looks like the token that they're going with in the future. But here's the big point of the video. For the next 5 days after this starts in 2 days, so it looks like to February 20th, you'll still be able to get your initial amounts in APH. So in 5 days, if you try to convert your elements, your NFTs to APH, after 5 days, after the 20th, you're going to only get this rate. So if you want to get Aether per hour APH, you need to start liquidating some of your NFTs in the next 5 days, starting in 2 days. So from the 15th to the 20th, think about that. I'm going to probably, get rid of a bunch of my stuff. Looks like the rigs as well will not change. So if you got a rig, it's going to always give you the amount. But once this 1.5 gets hit, I don't know where it's at right now, but once this 1.5 gajabadillions gets hit, it's done. So that might be nice. I'm going to try to hold on to a good amount of my Aether just in case. We'll see how it goes. It's already kind of dropped quite a bit since the announcement to almost, it's almost 50% valuation in Aether to wax. So that's good. I don't know. We'll see. I'd like for this to be like, 1-to-1. Then my Aether would be awesome. But I just want to let everybody know, big update. A lot of things are A lot of things are happening. You're going to be able to meta farm. You're going to be able to stake your LP tokens and to get get liquidity pool rewards. Sounds like there might be some farming as well. So you'll be able to add liquidity to the liquidity pool for Aether Wax or RDO Wax, and then stake those LP tokens for some meta farming. So you get more money for staking your LP tokens on top of what you're getting for adding to the liquidity pool. A lot of things are coming. Check out that thing I was telling you about the NFTs. You don't want to be sad that if you waited too long and you didn't get enough time to get better APH by liquidating some of your NFTs. That's all I got for you today. Crypto Jitsu saying, I'm out!